Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get lucky egg in Pokémon FireRed and LeafGreen. Firstly, before entering the Safari Zone, set up your team to increase your chances. This helps influence encounter rates and bring a Pokemon that knows Surf because it's needed to access certain areas, and also buy max repels to get a few from Pokemart, and this will help reduce unwanted encounters. Now go to the Safari Zone interest and buy the 500 Poké-Dollar entry fee. Head straight to the area 2. Now stand in a patch of grass and rotate your character in place. Don't walk. Keep turning until a wild Pokemon appears. This method helps you avoid wasting steps while still triggering encounters. Chansey is hard to catch and may flee quickly, to be patient. Now use Safari Balls only, no battling allowed. Try throwing bait to make it stay longer and avoid rocks. They make Chansey more likely to run. Once you catch a Chansey, check it if it's hold a lucky egg. If not, keep trying, it's a rare drop. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.